Hello, my sunshines. I have a perfect New England clam and seafood chowder recipe. Perfect for the holiday seasons. Let's go to the recipes. Here's the first part of the New England seafood chowder. We have here 2 pints of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, 3 or 4 twigs of thyme, fresh thyme, 1 large onion, which we're going to chop that up, and a couple of teaspoons of canola oil. I have a little story. There was a time when I first started making this, I would use bacon, fry some bacon and use the oil from the bacon. But now my girls, they don't eat pork, so I had to switch that to canola oil. Okay, that's my little story. And we have here 1 large potato, 1 medium potato, 1 small potato. Then over here I have 1.5 cups of clam juice. So this is part 1, and the second part is coming. That'll be all the seafoods that's used for this recipe. This is part 2 of this New England seafood chowder. It's a ½ pound. I have a ½ pound of codfish here. I have a ½ pound of sea scallops, and I have here 2 small lobster tails and 3 cans of minced clams. Now you can use shrimp. I used to use shrimp years ago, but now allergic to shrimp, so I can't use shrimp. Shrimp is really good in this recipe. So this is part 2. I'm gonna start preparing this soup now. So I'm just gonna mince up some onions. So I have added to the pot 3 tablespoons of oil and the minced onion, and it's being sauteed. This mixture, we're going to add the 1.5 cups of clam juice. Just stir. We're going to add I diced the large and the medium potato, and we're going to dump that in here. And that small potato, I cut that up into 2 big slices, and we're going to put that in there. And put that all in there, and we give that a stir. Okay, to this mixture here, we're going to add our salt, our seasoned salt, and the Old Bay, and the thyme. Give that a stir. So this mixture now, we're going to add the heavy cream. And now we're going to add the second heavy cream. Okay, we're going to stir this, and we're going to simmer this now. And we're going to simmer this for 45 minutes, covered. 45 minutes are up. I'm going to take the top off. And it's time to add the seafood. Here's all the chopped up, here's the lobster chopped, the codfish, and a sea scallop, and we're going to add that all to this mixture here. So, and stir, and then we're going to add the clams, the minced clams, and we're going to add that to the mixture, and then stir, and we're going to put the top on for until all the seafood is done, the potatoes are done, maybe 20-25 minutes. And then when this potato gets a little more soft, I'm going to take it out and put it in the bullet. And see you in another 25 minutes. Also, this is a good time to taste it. Taste your soup and see if you want to add any type of additional seasoning. If you want to add some more seasoned salt, a little more salt, or pepper if you like, or Old Bay. This is a good time to add that to your mixture now. Okay, now I'm going to add that mixture, that potato, to here, and that should thicken that up. Okay, now it's at a better texture. There we go. And just cook that for another 5 minutes and let that thicken up a little more, and it's done. So 5 more minutes. Okay, so now it's at a pretty good consistency, and it's all ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe and notification button. These buttons will notify when my next video is out. Peace and love to everyone. Have a blessed day. Thank you.